Having been in the gaming space for the better part of a decade, you'd think I would have tried a pair of Astros by now. But these A30s are the first pair I've ever really used, and honestly, I think I was missing out. Before we dive into the A30s, I want to give a huge shout out to my friends at Logitech for sending these over for a review. As always, no money changed hands and Logitech did not get to review this video before it was uploaded. Logitech did say I could keep them, and spoiler alert, they're my new personal headphones for gaming. Alright, enough spoilers. So I'm sure most of you have heard or even owned a pair of Astros before. And for those of you who don't know, Astro is a headset company mainly focusing in gaming headsets ranging from basic to pretty advanced with included amps and more. Astro is also a subsidiary of Logitech G, so don't be surprised if you see the two names used together. Now, the A30s are sorta on the upper end of their lineup, featuring Logitech's Lightspeed connectivity for practically zero latency when used wirelessly, large drivers that deliver an impressive range of sound for a gaming headset, a built-in mic and a boom mic, depending on how you're using them, and of course, that very stylish Astro look and feel. Materials-wise, the A30s feel like a $200 headset, and well, that's a good thing, considering the price of these are about $230. But for that $230, you're getting a headset built with materials you'd see on equivalent pair of headphones like the XM4s or even Bose Quiet Comforts. But why compare them to those? Well, because the A30s aren't just marketed for gaming, but also as solid headphones for everyday use. Given their wireless nature, you could easily connect them to your phone via Bluetooth when not connected to Lightspeed, or use them just like any other pair of headphones. This is in part to the fact that the A30s don't look like gaming headphones, and that's kinda nice actually. Not to mention their amazing battery life. You could easily travel with these or game with these on a single charge, and worst case, if you run out, just plug them in using the included 3.5mm headphone cable. But the real question is, do the A30s fall flat due to their hybrid nature? Honestly, in my opinion, no. So far in using them for the past week or two at my PC and on the go with my phone, I'm honestly quite shocked by the performance all around. Normally, I just run my XM4s on flights and more recently my AirPods Pro 2, but I could totally see a world where the A30s become your all-around headphones for just life. Now, that being said, I'm not switching to them, but why? To be honest, the only real reason I won't switch to them is because of actually two huge reasons. They aren't portable and they don't have active noise canceling, which in 2023 is critical on wireless headphones. That's not to say that the A30s have no noise isolation like a pair of open backs, but they certainly won't compete when on an airplane or at a loud train station without cranking the volume to a painful level where distortion is introduced, or they're just simply too loud. Not only that, but they don't fold, like at all. Sure, the ear cups do rotate, making them lay flat in the included case, but look at this thing. It's huge. Y'all already know my gripes at the Steam Deck being too big. Well, Astro did the same thing here, where something that should be portable just isn't, and in a bag with limited space as it is, I can't find the value of trying to stuff them in when my AirPods fit in my pocket. A slight oversight in my opinion that doesn't ruin the A30's reputation, but should make you reconsider them if you plan to make them your daily drivers. No pun intended. Okay, so the A30s aren't the best daily driver, especially given they're at the same price point of the new AirPods Pros, so why did I sing their praises in the beginning? Well, the thing that Astro got right on the A30s is the essence of what makes a good wireless gaming headset great. No latency, comfort fit, high quality materials, great quality sound, impressive sound control, and long battery life. All things that as a gamer and frequent PC user, really appreciate. I can't tell you how many times I've been playing with friends and hear either, shit, my headset is dying, hold on, or wait, let me change my headset battery real quick. Like bro, this is why I've been using wired headset for so many years. Nothing is worse than hopping on the game and realizing your headphones or your mouse is dead, and now you gotta chain yourself to that mega short included cable like a pleb. I honestly think it makes me play worse. It's definitely the reason I'm still in silver. In the box with these $230 headphones, you get quite the package. The headset comes in either this sick white color or a black color with these amazingly trippy ear cup covers, which are customizable by the way, an Astro special. You get a 3.5mm headphone cable that I think is a bit short, especially if you're plugging into the back of your system, a boom mic that is definitely a low point for this headset, but gets the job done, a USB-C cable, a dongle for the Lightspeed wireless, and that carrying case to fit everything. Like I said before, the materials here are pretty top notch and they look awesome. Like, for a gaming headset, these look really stylish in my own opinion, and I would not be ashamed to wear these in public. Let me know in the comments below if you'd rock these in public or not. But I mean, look at them. It's probably the high point for me, to be honest, because most gaming headsets are so blatantly gamer that if you're a streamer, you know what I'm talking about. It's not a good look. Strangely, that's becoming an increasingly important thing to consider when it comes to designing these peripherals. I'll touch on that more with the Logitech Blue Sun review, so get subscribed to see that one, especially if you're a streamer. The other thing I like a lot about the A30s are their on-headset controls. You get your power button with a tiny dimple on it, so you know what it is without having to take them off. Everything is nicely spaced out to avoid any confusion when trying to adjust volume, etc. There's also a little joystick control that when pressed forward or back controls volume, and left to right controls game versus voice mix, which, might I add, is a nice little touch, especially on consoles. The only thing I don't like about that sort of thing is sometimes it gets confusing where you're controlling volume from or mixing from if you have a mixer or other software controlling the same things. Otherwise, on-heads controls are awesome. Easy to reach with good feedback. I mean, what more could you ask for? Oh, and you do get a mic mute switch if you're using the included mic, but I highly recommend not using the included mic. In terms of fitment, this will be purely subjective to your dome piece. I have a big f***ing head, so I'm probably not the norm, but they fit me just fine, even with glasses and a hat and earrings. So needless to say, they get big enough to fit any accessories you like to wear underneath your headset without too much issue. Look, let me show you. They have a notchless sliding adjustment system that is a little sticky, but once you adjust them, they don't slip around. The top band is relatively flexible and comfortable. It doesn't stick to your hair too much and shouldn't cause any discomfort. The ear cups are very square shaped, and I would say are better fit for smaller ears. The depth of the cups, however, are solid, as my ears don't seem to get pressed against the driver wall much, if at all, making them comfortable to wear for many hours without any issue, at least in my experience. The ear cup foam is reasonably firm with a breathable material that shouldn't get too hot while wearing. The clamping pressure of the headset is modest, but that will obviously vary based on your head size. For me, they seem to have a good clamping force without causing any discomfort, but enough to stay on when I turn into a complete crackhead on stream for absolutely no reason. So yeah, crackhead approved. Oh, one really niche thing I like about these, by the way, is the fact that they can accept more than one connection signal at a time. This means you can connect them via the Lightspeed dongle on one machine and plug the 3.5mm cable into another and hear sound from both inputs simultaneously. Not only that, but you can also have them connected to your phone via Bluetooth, so you practically never need to take them off. Now, I'm sure that's not really the intended way to use them, but in my case, since I have a dual PC system, shout out CLX, link below, when I stream, I need to be able to hear both audio outputs from both PCs at once. Normally, you'd need a workaround with extra equipment, but the A30s can handle it if you're like me and don't want to have to add more points of failure in your already complicated setup. Just a little FYI for my streamers out there running dual PCs. So, to sum up the Astro A30s, they're easily the best all-around gaming headphones I've used. They're stylish, have high-quality materials, solid sound performance, tons of versatility with multiple ways to connect, an EQ software to adjust your sound profile, and come in at a reasonable price for those features. Overall, I definitely recommend the A30s if you're in need for not only a new gaming headset, but a generally good all-around pair of headphones, so long as you keep in mind they're most portable when they're sitting on your head and not in your bag. You can find them on Astro's website as well as their other models, but I think if you primarily use your headphones for gaming, these would be the ones to go for. And for my bass heads out there, these have an astounding amount of bass, probably too much if you tune them heavy, but if you're like me and prefer more bass than not enough, then these will definitely make you happy. And that's gonna be it for the Astro A30s. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more content like this. Also, be sure to hit me up on Twitter or Twitch to stay up to date on all the things, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.